Hello beautiful people, welcome to Smile to Live. This is Rahul once again. Friends, last week के 7 days 7 tips to love, joy and peace को आपका बहुत अच्छा response मिला. You all have liked the videos so much. You have shared your comments, your feedbacks, not only from India but from abroad. And one thing common that came out from there, many people have requested, is they wanted to know my views on how to handle failures in life. हम फेलियर को कैसे हैंडल करें. सो कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, टुडे आई एम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू टू शेयर फ्यू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, फ्यू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स विच यू शुड कीप इन माइंड, जो आपके दिमाग में रखने पड़ेंगे, जो आपके दिमाग में रहने चाहिए जब भी आप फेलियर को एनकाउंटर करें. फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, सबसे पहले हमें ये चीज़ को समझने की ज़रूरत है कि सक्सेस एंड फेलियर बोथ कम इन साइकिल्स इन लाइफ, दे कम वन आफ्टर द अदर. सो ये रियली पॉसिबल नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू ब्रेक द चेन एंड एलिमिनेट फेलियर completely and keep only success in your life. No, that is not possible and that is not going to happen. So I'm not going to talk anything on those lines which is not possible in this life. But कुछ चीज़ें हैं फ्रेंड्स जो अगर हम ध्यान में रखेंगे, if we keep them in our mind, then we would be able to sail through smoothly through that bad phase of failure. We will be able to come out of that and we will be able to manage ourselves in that bad phase so that we can be prepared for the upcoming phases of life. Friends, the first thing to understand, सबसे पहली चीज़ जो समझने की ज़रूरत है वो ये है कि whether it is success or failure, चाहे वो success हो या failure हो, there will be one point where you have to face the moment of truth. Yes, you have to face the moment of truth, and the burden of that moment of truth during failure will depend on the fact how much we have lied to ourselves. हमने अपने आप से कितना झूठ बोला है, वो मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ का जो बर्डन होगा वो उस चीज़ पे डिपेंड करेगा, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग फेलियर्स. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज स्टॉप लाइंग टू योर सेल्फ. अपने आप से झूठ बोलना बंद करिए. फ्रेंड्स, आप जो भी हैं, जैसे भी हैं, आप दुनिया को प्रिटेंड कर सकते हैं कि आप एक तरह के हैं. यू कैन प्रिटेंड टू द वर्ल्ड दैट यू आर समथिंग विच एक्चुअली यू आर नॉट, बट एटलीस्ट टू योर सेल्फ डू नॉट प्रिटेंड, डू नॉट लाई, बी द ओरिजिनल सेल्फ टू योर सेल्फ. Stop making yourself believe about something which is a lie, which is not there, which is non-existent. अपने आप को उस चीज़ का विश्वास दिलाना बंद कीजिए जो एक झूठ है, जिसका कोई अस्तित्व ही नहीं है. Because friends, when you make repeated attempts to make yourself believe in something which is a lie, which is non-existent, which is not there, then you slowly enter and start living a life of illusion, a life of imagination. And when this illusion vanishes and you face the moment of truth, believe me friends, it shatters you, it breaks you to the core. Friends, I am telling this from my personal example, that moment of truth will not let you live. So the key here is be authentic, be genuine, be original to yourself. Don't fall in this false trap of illusion, because that is temporary. It will give you temporary pleasure for sure, but then again remember that when you encounter the moment of truth, the moment you encounter the moment of truth, that would be the biggest moment of your life and you would not be able to take the burden, my friends. Believe my words. Friends, the second very important thing is to accept the failure and the feelings associated with it. जो भी फेलियर है उसको आप एक्सेप्ट करिए और उसके साथ जो फीलिंग्स एसोसिएटेड हैं उसको भी एक्सेप्ट करिए. फेलियर हर्ट्स, समटाइम्स अ लिटिल, समटाइम्स अ लॉट, बट डोंट पुश दैट फीलिंग अवे बाय डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग योरसेल्फ और बाय पुटिंग द ब्लेम ऑन द वर्ल्ड. उस फीलिंग को अपने से दूर हटाने की कोशिश मत करिए. हम क्या करते हैं, हम अपने आप को डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं या बड़ी कन्वीनियंटली वो ब्लेम दुनिया पे डाल देते हैं. इस सिचुएशन की वजह से या इस पर्सन की वजह से हम फेल हुए. प्लीज डू नॉट डू दैट, इट डज नॉट हेल्प. एंड नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज डू नॉट पेंट अ फेक स्माइल. एक झूठी हंसी अपने चेहरे पे पेंट करके मत घूमिए. दीज ऑल आर इम्पल्सिव बिहेवियर्स विच डू नॉट हेल्प यू. एक्सेप्ट द फेलियर, एक्सेप्ट द पेन, लेट इट सिंक इन, लेट इट हर्ट यू. बिकॉज वेन यू डू दैट इट विल गो अवे फास्टर. जब आप ऐसा करेंगे वो उतनी ही जल्दी आपसे दूर जाएगा. बट इफ यू रिजेक्ट हाउ यू एक्चुअली फील, these emotions will pop up later and hamper your work at unexpected times. आपको समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि ये कब पॉप अप हो रहा है और आपको किस तरह से ये नुकसान करेगा बाद में. फ्रेंड्स, तीसरी सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़, या यूँ कह लीजिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो है, इज़ योर एटीट्यूड, फेलियर के टाइम पे आपका एटीट्यूड कैसा है, ये बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. फ्रेंड्स, हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड that the top level executives of big MNCs whose salaries are 20 crores to 50 crores a year, it is a fact that such salaries do exist, so whose salaries are 20 crores to 50 crores a year, what are they asked in the interview? ऐसा क्या पूछते हैं इंटरव्यू में जिसके बेसिस पे उनको जज किया जाता है? कभी आपने ये सोचा है? इतनी सैलरीज तो उठाते, इतनी सैलरीज कंपनीज दे भी देते हैं, लेकिन उनको हायर करते टाइम इंटरव्यू में ऐसा क्या सवाल पूछते हैं? Once Mr. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, was asked this question. एक बार Google के CEO Mr. सुंदर पिचाई से ये सवाल पूछा गया था. What do you ask the executives whom you pay 10 crores or 20 crores annually? What do you ask? It's not their educational qualification for sure, because they have extraordinary degrees. That's why they are in the race for that position in the first place. To qualify for such positions, they must be carrying an experience of 10 to 15 years. And in these 10-15 years, they must have handled businesses of 50,000 crores to 1 lakh crores turnover. That person has been in such top companies, in such top positions. So networking of that person is also not a question. Neither administration, nor HR, not even management. What are their thoughts about growth? That is also not needs to be asked. So what do you ask? Mr. Pichai gave a beautiful reply. He said, people from these categories who get such enormous salaries are asked only one question in the interview. Isn't it surprising? Yes, he said only one question in the interview is asked, and 20 to 25 minutes is given to that candidate to answer the question, because in lesser time he would not be able to answer that question properly. And the question is, describe one big failure in your life and how you handled it. Friends, performances do not test your caliber. How did you handle failure? How did you handle setback? How did you handle a fall in your life is what is important. It is what matters. And the answer is not judged in the basis of what he thought or what practices he employed to come out of the failure. No, they are kept aside. What he is judged on is what attitude he kept when he was a failure. This is the greatness of life. How do you handle failures? Friends, remember, when you are a failure, when you encounter a failure in your life, you have only one weapon at your disposal, and that is your attitude. There will be situations in life when you have 1,000 contacts in your phone, but whom to contact will be the biggest question for you. Even the king of good times, Kingfisher, when the king had to leave India, he had to run away on a diplomatic passport. So what is your attitude whenever you face failure is very important. But friends, the next thing to remember is, encountering a failure does not mean that you stop working altogether, because that is the only way that you would not encounter a failure. So it does not mean, failure does not mean that you stop working altogether. Chapter 2 verse 47 of Bhagavad Gita says, Karmanya vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Which means you have a right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the result of the action. Never consider yourself to be the cause of the result of your activities, and never be attached to not doing your duty. Friends, remember, if there are 100 things in your control to affect the end result, there are 1,000 factors which are not in your control which can negatively affect the end result. That's why in Bhagavad Gita, Shri Krishna has written, you do the job in the best knowledge and the best practices you have. The end result will be decided by me. And to decide the end result, several aspects will be considered. Your previous karma, your motive behind doing this work, your thoughts behind doing this work, your greed behind doing this work, all will be taken into consideration before deciding the end result. Friends, if you understand this one thing, you will never be in depression and you will never require sleeping pills. Friends, whenever you encounter a failure, which is a natural part of a human life, rather than running away from it or pushing the feeling of pain away, accept it. Accept the fact that there was something lacking, something was not up to the mark that resulted in this failure. Develop that in yourself so that next time when you encounter such a situation, you are not a failure but a success. This is the difference in thought that you have to make. This is the minor adjustment that you have to make in the way you look at things. Friends, the fact of life is it changes constantly. It is never the same. The best part of bad times or failures is it does not stay forever. Remember friends, in the end, whatever is best for you, only that will happen. But the point is, what is your attitude that will attract what is best for you? So this attitude is very important in life, friends, particularly when you encounter a situation of failure, when you are depressed, when you cannot give life your 100%, then what is your attitude is very important, because whatever is your attitude at that point of time will decide what you attract in your future life. So friends, I'm sure you have been able to derive at least some value out of this video. Please hit the like button if you have liked the video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also bring in a minor change in their thought process, in their way of looking at things, and bring a big positive impact in their lives. Also friends, if you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do so. Please subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of the important videos that I would be sharing here. Please share your comments and feedback, or if you have any particular area of concern, you can share it with me and I'll try to answer it in the next video. So friends, that was all for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and smile to live.